what she says.
This is Anita and Amber.
Hi.
Ganoculin.
Can I film it for not my private anything?
Not your private anything.
My public?
Make me look thin.
Okay.
I'll do the best I can, darling.
It's
Amber.
easy.
And Anita.
Rising out.
Going out.
Passing out.
There they go.
I'll get one in commentary from MJ.
Well,
But that's fine, then I don't have to do it.
they're going mighty slow. Move it, girls. Move it.
I've done cute puppy videos for my children friends. This is for my male friends.
Glamorous.
Yeah, we're definitely not making it glamorous.
Well, we're working on glamorous. It's a beautiful thing if we can get it.
Yeah, she's Anita's friend. Definitely.
Jesus Christ, just go. I'm embarrassed.
Why? There's Dango's head over there. Somewhere.
Is Anne's head over there? Anne is somewhere snorkeling out there.
Snorkeling, Jean.
Go, 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 go.
Oops. Only
Jesus,
shots.
taking a long time.
Hello, I'm here.
And there they go. The glorious girls. Woo! I expect a little dive action here soon.
Don't worry. You're going to get what you came for after.
Ooh.
Yeah, you guys disappearing is actually what I'm looking for. Beautiful girls disappearing. Where's Anne?
She's over there.
Oh, there she is. Somewhere.
No, I can't see her on screen. And they're off.
And they're off. Here they go. Two beautiful girls. Winter's day on Kauai.
Yes, winter. It's chilly. Actually, it's not chilly
Yeah.
today, is it, MJ? It's warm today.
Yeah, multicolor.
We actually sweated a little bit today for a
I
change.
did. I sweated. It was sad. Bye-bye, girls. End of video.